Now I'm going to show you how to install a new product called Snap Lock. It's a new bridger bar. It saves you a lot of time. Now to begin with, you need a starter clip just so that this has something to hook to at the very first. So that's the only screw you're going to need on this entire installation. Whether your wall is 50 foot or 100 feet, one screw. That's pretty nice. A lot of the other products need lots of screws. You have to put a clip in the screw at every joint. So now this is a little bit counterintuitive. You would think you'd hook here and go that way, but instead you go to the next stud. There's a beauty in that because this stud, it can be wherever you can grab it and then you just kind of forget about it and it'll come with you. You just snap it in. Take the next one, go to the next stud again. Snap it in. Go to the next one. This is a whole lot easier than threading 12 and 10 foot CRCs through these little holes, especially when you're up on a lift. So this is not unusual that you're going to start with a layout that's less than 16 or 24 inch center, just some odd number. So all you need to do is hold your snap lock up there, figure out where you want it, how long you want it to be, snip it. You can just fold it over. Now I can install a screw. There you got the proper spacing for this starter stud here. As you can see, this installs real quickly. This is on 16-inch center, and we also have a 24-inch for 24-inch layout. It holds the studs, keep them from twisting for load-bearing applications. If you need it locked even tighter, you can take a hammer, hit this tab here that mashes it in there, and it will not come out then no matter what. So this will save you a lot of time.